Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import the Google Street View into Blender and just make it as the HDRI or any of the image-based lighting that contribute to the lighting for the Blender, and also the 360-degree panorama background for your Blender 3D animation software. So start from now, I'm going to show you all the step-by-step how to import the Google Street View into Blender 5.0. Let's go! The first step, just go to my video description, the freedom3d.art. I already put a link at there. Click into that. It will lead you to the Street View download 360 degree, and you just need to scroll down and just download from the link that given by me. Once you already download it, I'm going to show you. Once you already download it, it is a zip folder. You need to extract it to your computer and then open it. Just double click for the Street View download 360 degree. This is the applications in Windows. Just double click. Then now it will open. Here, no need to update, just click later. Alright, next you can just go to the Google Map. You can just type maps.google.com. Then go to anywhere that have the Street View. Just for example, the London. Just have a look. Just for example, if you click on that, if there is a Street View, you click into that, then you can see the Street View. Right. Then if you press escape, it is going back. So now for any of the Street View, click, then click. Now. Alright, so now I'm going to just show you how to download a Street View. I'm going to just click into one of it, click it. Let's say if I want to have this Street View, then you just need to copy the link, just right click to copy, and then go to the Street View 360 degree, just paste your link at here, Ctrl V, and then you need to create a path to save it. For example, I just click a new folder here, Street View, London. Alright, so here I'm going to just browse my desktop on the Street View London. This is the folder. The file name, you can just put whatever file name you want, then just click save. The resolutions, of course, I pick the highest. Then I click download the panorama. Now it is downloading. You just need to wait for a few seconds until it finishes. It will be really fast. The picture that downloaded, it will become inside the folder. Just need to wait for a few more seconds until it finishes. Then you can see it. It will appear right here. Alright, now you can see the image is already here. If you double click it, it is an equirectangular map. This one, you can just put it into your Blender. So now I'm going to show you how to just make it as the image-based lighting for your Blender. So now you can just click here to see the viewport shading of the render. Now this is the only light source. Right, to import the Street View to make it become the background and also the image-based lighting, you can just move your mouse cursor to the corner until you see across. Then just drag it to the left. Then click here, change it to shader editor. Then at here you can see the object. You just need to change it to the world and scroll up until you see this. Drag the color, then here type environment texture. Then select it, open from the desktop, open the Street View. This is the Street View image just now. You just need to double click it. Now you can see the Street View is already open. Now this is exactly the Google Street View just now. You can have a look. You can make your 3D animation at here. Of course, you need to scroll the camera until it is at a suitable position so that it will look more realistic. If you render in that way, then that's wrong. Just make sure your animations will be in a suitable angle and also a perfect view, something like this, to make sure all of the grids will fit to the street view. Alright, now you can see the Google Street View. You already bring the Google Street View into the Blender as the image-based lighting, as the background, as the 360-degree panorama, and also it is a sky with the skylights. Of course, you can just change the strength, the brightness. You can make it in this way. Change the brightness of the street view. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to import the Google Street View into Blender 5.0 as the image-based lighting, as the HDRI, and also as the background and 360-degree panorama, and also the skylights. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!